I've never seen Alien look so good before.
I was at his house until 12:30.
Right? I don't know. What do you think?
Well, that's what I hope. That's what I hope. But it's easier. People often ask, "What's the meaning of life?" And it's not that difficult. I don't think. I think the meaning of life is to learn things and pass it on. You learn something new and you pass it on. If every individual who learned things from life pass it on, the next generation learn from the previous generation. It'd be better and better and better. You think?
Yeah, I dig that.
I think you're right.
I mean, right, but like, what are we learning? How are we moving on? How are we progressing as a society? It seems to me like we're progressing into a negative space, and we should be moving into a positive space. Like, we have the resources and the technology and the knowledge. We invented the internet, and we are mining all the oil and natural resources. Like, we got that on lock. What we don't have is love in our hearts, and in our society, and in our systems, and between each other, and like, that's something we need to work on. So like, for all of time, we've been a society of war and of hate, and like, some people think that war is the constant state of human existence. But like, someday, either we're going to destroy ourselves in that pursuit of constant war, or we're going to rise above it and for change not having wars. And like, right, that's idealistic and that's naive, but look at us all out here. It's not just me.